Hello everyone. So in this video today I will be teaching guys watching how to add customer reviews on your Shopify store. So the first step is to simply go to the page builder editor, then drag a product box into place such as in this picture. And then after doing that, select the product you want to reviews for in this picture. I'm going to zoom in so that you can simply see, choose the product. They have chosen the product Nike, and then click on next or okay on continue. Then drag the product reviews element into the product box such as this, then customize your customer reviews. You see example reviews pop up, which will allow you to customize the section to fit your brand aesthetic, meaning to simply change the themes, etc. And then add customer reviews to start earning shoppers trust. This is how you can easily add them. And yeah, these are the three steps that you will need to do. And as you can see, it's super easy to add reviews with Shogun page builder. So if you, this is the tutorial. If you add the Shopify customer reviews on the Shopify website with the help of Shogun. And yeah, Shogun page builder makes everything easy in my opinion. But if you want to do it with the Shopify store only, the process will also be the same with a few alternations. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Yeah, this is how you can easily do it.